How to buy a Fortnite account on Eldorado. Fortnite accounts with rare skins and battle pass progress are in high demand. Eldorado GG offers a marketplace to buy them, but how do you do it safely? Let's walk you through the process step by step. So first, go ahead and open up eldorado.gg and then sign in to your account. Now use the search bar to search for Fortnite account. And then in here, you can go ahead and select the type of Fortnite account to buy. So you can buy a PC Fortnite account, Android Fortnite account, iOS Fortnite account. So go ahead and select the type of Fortnite account that applies to what specific device you want to buy for your account. So go ahead and compare accounts carefully. Look for verified sellers or those with high feedback scores. Read the description to confirm what's included, rare skins, battle pass progress, or bonus items. The more detailed the listing, the safer your purchase. So once you've chosen an account, go ahead and click on this buy now button, and that will take you into the checkout section. So in here, you can go ahead and select the account warranty, and then you'd be able to find the loyalty points amount that you can earn from this specific purchase. Now, at the left side, you'll find the payment method you can use. So you can go ahead and buy this account with your credit or debit card, Google Pay, or cryptocurrency. Now, if you want to buy this with Apple Pay, you'll need to access Eldorado GG on your iOS device to be able to find the Apple Pay option. The seller provides login details through Eldorado's secure system. Login and verify the account, matches the description. Check skins, V-Bucks, and progress. Only when you're satisfied should you confirm the order, which releases payment to the seller. To stay safe, always buy from reputable sellers, use Trade Shield, and never accept deals outside Eldorado GG. Once you own the account, change the email and password immediately. Remember, buying and selling Fortnite accounts is against Epic Games' terms of service, so there's always a risk of recovery or bans. And that's how to buy a Fortnite account on Eldorado GG safely.